Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Tuesday the 13th of December 2022 and the CPI figures have been announced. What's happened? Let's take a look. Earlier today we published a video entitled Are Gold and Silver Prices About to Soar?, where we highlighted that today's CPI figures from the United States will give us a good indication as to whether the Fed tomorrow will raise rates by a quarter, half or 0.75%. Now we showed that the anticipated CPI figures as far as the markets were concerned, the core CPI was going to be 0.3%, and the year-on-year figure at 7.3. And we said if those figures are lower, then we will see gold and silver prices rise quite quickly, and if those figures were higher, we would see them fall. Well, the figures have come in, and the core CPI is actually 0.2% for November. That's lower than the 0.3 envisaged, and lower than the previous month's figure. And the year-on-year figures have come in at 7.1, almost said 71, compared with 7.3% anticipated and 7.7% the annual figure based on October. So, what's happened to gold and silver prices? Well, look at the chart. You can see for yourself. Gold has jumped some $28 today and is now standing at $1,813. It did actually go higher at $1,824, so it's fallen back some $10 as at $1,550 in the UK, that's GMT. And silver has jumped some 60 cents. In fact, it went even higher. It surpassed $24. And remember, we produced a video a week or two ago saying don't be surprised if the Fed adopts a more dovish approach. Silver could potentially reach $25 by the end of the year. It's fallen back a little at $23.80. And why is that? Well, because the dollar index has taken a hammering. The dollar index is down 1.25 at 103.88. Of course, all eyes will be on the Fed tomorrow. That's the important day. Let's wait and see what occurs tomorrow. A lot of excitement in the gold and silver market, and just for fun, for those who are into platinum, let's take a quick look at that, and we can see that platinum too has even risen today, and it's up $35. So tomorrow is the key day. What the FOMC of the Federal Reserve does on interest rates. As mentioned, we'll report on that probably on Thursday. We want to see initial traders' reaction and also to assess how high gold and silver have risen prior to that announcement, and whether when it is announced it becomes a damp squib or something exciting for the rest of the year. Meanwhile, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell sign until Thursday when we report what both the FOMC does in terms of interest rate rise and what Fed Chair Jerome Powell actually says about it all. Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.